Yes, yeah, it's clear.
All right. Hello from actually, there is some mistaken in my institution. I come from Khazar University, Azerbaijan.
Okay, maybe you can write. That you can write to the you can write an email so that we can correct the certificate. Yeah.
All right. I would like to present what my finding by the title "The Future of Nanotechnology in the International Relations Perspective." In this century, nanotechnology has been recognized as a potential knowledge that people competing to learn about it to be beneficial for the world, especially for their own country. Nanotechnology is identified as a potential thing to increase the quality of a nation in the field of economy, society, and politics due to its novelty in the technology world. Nevertheless, a country couldn't gain its purpose by working by itself without any cooperation with other countries, especially if nanotechnology doesn't come from its nation. In this case, diplomacy has its role to act in developing and gaining national interest in terms of nanotechnology. Unfortunately, nanotechnology in Indonesia and many other developing countries haven't utilized and developed in depth, so the dissemination of knowledge and its utilization hasn't been realized properly, even though it has very special benefits. Even the word nanotechnology itself is still foreign for most people around the world. The future of nanotechnology in the international relations perspective will be beneficial for the national economy. However, the minimum knowledge of its subject in a developing country is needed, which will take the role of politicians and diplomacy actors to gain the national interest. In conclusion, in the future, nanotechnology is predicted to become a sort of global competition for countries, and countries with maximum nanotechnology development will become countries that are far more advanced than countries with minimum nanotechnology knowledge, especially for developing countries with a high level of knowledge of nanotechnology. Therefore, it can facilitate the distribution of knowledge in theory and practice, as well as can realize the maximum implementation of nanotechnology results from all kinds of forms, including for the medical industry, such as beauty ingredients, the textile and food industry, to convert sunlight into electricity, which will minimize economic expenditure due to the increasingly sophisticated electrical-based technological tools. However, cooperation among countries is needed to gain this national interest, and diplomacy took the role in these actions. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So it's an interesting one. Nanotech